What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we got another day in the world and the life of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. A lot of things are going on. Bitcoin is starting to pump. We've seen so many altcoins start to pump, follow behind Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about crypto and the direction that we see crypto going in. So before we get into the topics of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $69,300. Bitcoin has finally broke the resistance level of $68,900 that was tested a few nights ago. Now we are in the $69,000 level range. So we're expecting great things going into the week. Today's Sunday. Next week, we should be hitting $70,000 levels, starting to test new all-time high levels. Bitcoin dominance, 57.3. You know, we've been talking about Bitcoin dominance levels hitting 59%, 60%. So we will be monitoring that throughout the week, waiting for those levels to be reached. Fear and greed index is at 60. It's still in the mid-range. A lot of folks, some folks are on the sideline, not sure if Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. Some folks are not certain if Bitcoin will be going down. But those of you who are on the Patreon, you guys already understand. We've been talking about the 4-year cycles. We understand the assignment. We know exactly what should be transpiring, especially Pumptober, Q4, all that good stuff. Those are the things that we are waiting on. So let's go ahead and get into the topics of the day. The topics of the day, Bitcoin, crypto. What are your thoughts? I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and what I see going on. As of right now, we've seen Bitcoin break out of the consolidation zones. For so many months, Bitcoin was trading sideways and consolidating. Right now, we are trading out of those zones, which is a good sign that Bitcoin will be testing new all-time highs. Resistance levels were broken today. $69,300 Bitcoin. That is perfect. Now, the next resistance level that we will be looking to test is $70,000. Will that be broken tonight? Will it be broken tomorrow? Those are some of the things that we will continue to monitor and watch throughout the week. We're approaching all-time high, folks. You guys know all-time highs were reached back in March, $74,000. Once we hit $70,000, it's to the races. As of right now, we're about 6% from the all-time high, so we're very close. This could happen in one day. We've seen Bitcoin pump $4,000 or $5,000 in one day, so that's all we would need is a $4,000 or $5,000 pump in one day, and there you got it. We are at new all-time highs. We're in discovery zone once again for Bitcoin, and who knows where Bitcoin can go after that. Like we mentioned earlier, this could be one of the largest bull markets that we have experienced. We understand that the large institutions are involved in Bitcoin this particular cycle. We have been experiencing supply shocks. Bitcoin, the scarcity of Bitcoin will be a real thing right now. There will not be enough Bitcoins to go around for everybody. The demand will be high. The supply will be minimized. So economics 101, high supply or low demand, high supply. We all know that that will spike the price up. When the demand is real high and the supply is low, that spikes the price up. So who knows how high Bitcoin will go this particular cycle. But those are just some of the things that are on the table that we should be paying attention to. Are we in altcoin season right now? Is another question. You're seeing so many altcoins starting to explode right now. Today, ApeCoin went up over 100% in one day. A few days ago, Mavcoin is pumping 50, 60, 70% in one day. We've seen TurboCoin pump. We've seen Crow with a knife pump. We're seeing Dogecoin starting to pump. We understand that meme coins have been taking the forefront this particular cycle, so don't let that fly past you without getting some skin in the game in the various meme coins. Will this be the cycle to where meme coins start to pump? Will this be the cycle to where artificial intelligence coins start to pump? But that's why it's so important to have your portfolio diverse. You want to get a little bit of skin in the game in real world assets. You want to get skin in the game in some of your large cap coins. Make sure you got some Ethereum, some Solanas, and so forth and so on. So if your portfolio is diverse, it will be hard for these crypto coins to miss you. Like I said, we are heading towards financial freedom. That's the aim, that's the strategy, that's the plan. We know we got about 18 months before the top of Bitcoin to pop sometime late next year. We will be taking profits in 2025. We are expected to make great gains, great multipliers on the various coins. Some of your coins will do a 20x. Some of your coins may only do a 5x, but a 5x is nothing to frown upon. Some of your coins may do a 100x. That's why it's so important to be diverse. All your coins not going to do 100x, but all you need is a handful of coins to multiply by 50, multiply by 60, and boom, there you have it. Exponential gains that will place you into new tax brackets. That'll put you into new financial situations, which is why we're all here. Financial freedom and all that good stuff. So you guys just continue to lock in, continue to pay attention to these charts. We are very close to altcoin season. October, Pumptober is a real thing. We're expecting November to be explosive with the political elections. We're expecting December to be explosive. We are in a great zone, a great time right now. There's so many folks out there that still don't know what Bitcoin is. So many folks still don't know what altcoins are. So you guys are just a few in the world that understand and that's invested in cryptocurrency. So give yourself a pat on the back for being courageous and investing, trusting the process in this cryptocurrency market. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community that love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. You do not want to navigate through this bull market as a lone wolf. You want to come over there and be part of a community to where we can hold your hand, answer the various questions, so forth and so on. But like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.